name is Anna Moss. I've been coming to Dr. Schenk now for 14 years. I was a former Mrs. America in 1996 and a former Mrs. Georgia in 1995. And Dr. Schenk was very instrumental in taking care of my teeth and making me look stage worthy. I've also had veneers here and I am very happy with them. I have a great smile at 45. It makes me feel younger.
I'm Dr. Michael Schenk. This has been my practice. I started it 29 years ago. And I've always tried to treat my patients as if they were family members. You come in here and you're treated like a normal person.
They care more about not only you as a patient, but you as a person, which is really refreshing in doctors' offices and dentists' offices these days. And they're just great people. You can tell by the way they treat us.
I have this one patient, he's in his mid-20s. He said he just basically never smiled. And we did some major work on him that he really needed. And he is grinning all the time. It's really amazing.
I could not ask for a better dentist or practice, and Dr. Schenk's a sweetheart. I just think so.